Blake Lamson versus Carnes. Let's go, Blake!
Who's your 220?
Blake Lamson.
Inbounds, dude, inbounds. Back up, Blake, back up. Wing him. Wait for it, wait for it. Now go, arm roll, arm roll. No, back leg, back leg. Stand up facing. There you go, keep that elbow, left hand elbow, stand up. Left hand elbow, stand up. Stand up, circle left, circle left. Circle left.